Hello friends, in this video I will explain you how to import data that is in Excel into MySQL. So the steps are, this is my MySQL interface. In that I will create a new database, SMS. Then in that database I will create a table, nationality. Here I have one column I will make as ID and other as nationality. Varchar 255 ID, save. So within SMS I have a table nationality that has two columns, ID and nationality. Now I will copy this, open new Excel, copy here, this will be my ID 1 2. This is ID column, this is nationality column. Now here insert into nationality ID comma nationality values we need comma, we need single quote. For single quote you have to press twice this single quote. Then we need to close this single quote and closing bracket, and we need semicolon. Okay, now see, we will create a formula equals to this one, ampersand ID, then ampersand comma ampersand single quote ampersand nationality ampersand single quote close bracket close, then ampersand semicolon. Enter. So this becomes our query, SQL query. Now just expand this, expand all of them. Now copy this SQL query, go to a new column and here paste, in paste as values. Now copy all of them, go to SQL, paste here, press go. So now open your nationality table, all the rows are inserted. Hope you like this video. Thanks.